Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be understand what is data science and why you should even cares for data science, because data science is the future and nowadays the demand for data science is going to be much higher. Now come to the point. What is data science? Data science is the process of collecting, cleaning, analyzing and interpreting data to make informed decision. Now we can say in other words or explain like in today's date we have a lot of data, and in coming time this data is going to increase even more. In such a case, this kind of data is not useful to us until we are able to analyze it. The data scientist's job is to clear raw data, understand it, and get meaningful insights from it. So, data scientist's job is very important for a machine learning, Gen AI, LLM models, and also AI generation. So, in my next point, key step in data science, data collection. Basically, gathering raw data from various sources like website, database, input, output device, or we can say like that e-commerce, Netflix type sources. So we are collecting, or we can say data scientists collecting data from these resources. Then the next step is data cleaning. 80% of our data scientist time is spent on this step. Basically in this step we fixing error, handling missing values, remove duplicacy, or many more filters or step for data cleaning. Next one is data analyzing. Analyzing where graphically represent or pattern that how our data is presenting, like find patterns, insights. Model building, applying machine learning to make predictions. Interpreting and communication, presenting finding in a clean way to help decision making. Why is data science important? In today's world, data is everywhere, as we say previously, from your online shopping habits to the sensor in a smart device, which we can say in previous slide, input output device. Companies use this data to make better decision, predict outcomes, automate processes, personalize experience. For example, Netflix recommendation, YouTube recommendations, or many more. The next one is, where do we see data science in action? In healthcare, e-commerce side, finance, detect करते हैं detecting fraud transaction, entertainment, content recommendation on platform like YouTube and Netflix, e-commerce personalized product recommendation, and many more. So this is very initial stage of data science. In coming time we will see more in more areas.